Luxembourg has a lot of quaint traditions, but my favorite is celebrated with a sweet bretzel. And like always, homemade is best. Every year, on the third Sunday of Lent, we celebrate Bretzel Sunday. On that day, the man is supposed to give his beloved a sweet bretzel to show his love. Now you can of course go to the bakery to get one, but today I'll show you how to make a bretzel at home. The bretzel is made with a yeast dough, so I'm first diluting some fresh yeast in lukewarm milk. Then I need flour, sugar and a pinch of salt, to which I add some melted butter, the yeasty milk and an egg. And I'll knead this for a good 5 minutes now. That looks great. You want a soft and slightly sticky dough. And this now needs to rest for 30 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm making the sweet bretzel filling, which is a bit like a frangipan with almonds. To these I am adding some dark brown sugar and cinnamon and some apricot jam, as well as an egg white to bind the whole thing. And I'm keeping the egg yolk for the glaze later. Right, back to my dough. It's puffed up nicely. Now we can shape our bretzel. So the tradition has it that the man has to offer the bretzel, but then the woman has to return the favor for Easter and offer a chocolate Easter egg. Oh, and if she's not interested, she'll give him a basket. Da kritten de Kuef. Now the dough needs to be cut into 4 strips to make 2 bretzels. The filling only goes on 2 strips, and then we fold the naked strip over the filled strip. And now it's time to twist, because we need to twist each one into a curly straw. So it doesn't look like much yet, because now we need to do the pretzel shaping. And now they can rest for another half an hour. And now before they go in the oven, I'm going to brush them with a bit of egg wash to make them nicely golden. And now they can bake for 25 minutes at 180 fan. And here they are, my beautiful bretzels. And whilst they're still hot, I'm going to brush them with a bit of apricot jam to make them shiny. And now they need to fully cool until I can give them their final touch. A bit of icing sugar and some toasted almond flakes. And then Bretzelsonndeg can come.